Hello folks, Jeff here. Well, today is Sunday, June 2nd. It's after 8 o'clock at night. And my door handle on the van just broke here. You see where it broke back in there. So, been anticipating this for a while. I've already got a new door handle for it, but I ain't gonna have time to work on it until next weekend. So what I'm gonna do is just for a temporary fix. I've got some JB weld mixed up down there. I'm gonna dab a little bit in there and let it set for a few days and see if it holds. And I'm not gonna be able to do this and hold the camera at the same time. Okay, I've dabbed a little bit in there where it was broken. Either this is gonna hold it together or it's gonna make it so I can't move it at all. So I can still open the door from the inside, so no big deal there. But I'm probably not gonna be driving this throughout the week because I have another vehicle. So we'll let that set for a few days and see if it works. Okay, it is now Saturday, June 8th, and the van's been sitting all week. I haven't driven it at all. So, but obviously my little JB weld fix didn't hold, so. Still nothing. So, I'm going to turn it around and turn around to where I got room to work on it, because I'm right up against the house here. And here's another issue with this thing that's got me pissed off. Rust. It's rusting. Bubbling all over the place right in this area. And it's just getting worse. And the gas filler door too, there's all rust there. A little bit down there. So I'm going to have to address that soon. And this is the only area. The rest of the van has no rust on it. Except for maybe a little spot on the front here where it's paint's chipping off. But just a little bit there and a little bit down there. So it just needs some touching up. And this dent was in there when I bought it. So it obviously, people who had this before me hit a deer or something with it. It shows up on the Carfax too. So let's get her turned around and start getting to work on this. Okay, now I have replaced this door handle once already, and that just shows you the quality of cheap door handles. And it was the same day I replaced the window motor on this. If you look back through my videos, you'll find one from 3 years ago. That video I made about a month after I bought this thing, replacing the power window motor. I also replaced the door handle the same day. But I got so frustrated with trying to get it on there that I didn't make a video of it. So, but I think I showed how to take the door panel off. So I'm gonna skip that part, get it off, get the door panel off, and get started on this. Okay, I've got the door handle off. I didn't want to unplug all these connectors, so I just left that hanging, but that's not going to be in the way. So the next thing I want to do, now you got a plug here to access it, but it's also easier if I take this latch off, so we'll do that. Okay, I got the nuts off, and trying to pull this handle out, but it looks like I'm going to have to pull the rod off first that connects to the latch, so before I can get it off. So we'll try to get that pried off of there with it in there. Okay, after much frustration, I finally got it out of here. Now all I need to do is get that this rod out. And when I bought this door handle, it was actually for the older Astro van, so it has this type of holder in here. The newer one has a nylon clip, so we're just going to pry that out of there, which is probably why I was having so many problems with it. Again, I don't know if I can do this and hold the camera. I'm scratching the heck out of the paint, which was already scratched up from before. Okay, we got it. That's loose. Okay, we got that off. This is probably why I have so much problem getting it out, because this is kind of mangled right here. So I'm going to push that back in. I got kids around here. So we'll try to get this back in. Okay, we're ready to put the handle back in. And I'm going to just connect the rod on there first and stick it in there. And I'm not going to be able to do this and hold the camera at the same time. So, of course, I could put it on a tripod. Okay, I hope you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm gonna see, got it facing the right way. We're gonna pop that rod in here, and goes that way. So just this one's got the nylon bushing on it, so it should just poke right into there like that, and I'm just gonna fish it into there. Gotta get lined up here. Something's binding up in here, which is the way it usually goes. I'm trying to get the holes lined up. Got the top one in, but come on. You know what? That's upside down. Shoot. Wonder why I'm going. It's upside down. Okay. Just kind of. Ouch. Okay. That's in there. Thing is, I can't get it. Of course, I'm scratching the heck out of it. Okay. Okay, it's in the place. Now all I gotta do is tighten up the bolts. And I'm not gonna be able to see inside the top one there. But it's hard to start these bolts too. And for some reason, this is the bolt that goes in there, or the nut to go in there. For some reason, I didn't have the other. The other one was just a separate nut and washer. I must have lost this last time I replaced it, so I'm going to try to get this started on the top, then put this other one on the bottom. Getting them started in there is really hard to do, because you can't see and work and see the work. You can't get your hand in there and see at the same time. So you just got to kind of feel for it. Just try to get it threaded on there. I got lucky. I got that top one started in there. Let's see if I can get the bottom one. Where I put it. Okay, I got that one started, so I got lucky there. So we'll tighten the bottom one first. Okay, see, it turned out a box end wrench worked the best for that, so let's see if I can get the top one. Just gotta feel it. See if I can get my head in there and see. Finger tighten it a little more. Would help. When push comes to shove, I probably didn't need to loosen this latch. Just another guy told me that it was easier, but I don't think it was. I don't think it would have made a difference. Okay, we're tight. Now I'm going to just put everything back together and see if it works. Okay, I've got the latch put together, everything's put together inside, and it's working. Locks are hooked back up and working. So now all I gotta do is put the door panel back together. I'm not gonna video that. I'm gonna call this to the end of this video. Hopefully this helped, I don't know. But y'all have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.